Hello and welcome to Math 1710, the Volunteer State Community College Pre-Calculus 1 course. Here in Desire to Learn, or eLearn, as it is now referred to, you will find lots of resources. First of all, I would like to point out that this is where you should communicate with your instructor, is through the email utility in eLearn. You can access the email utility by clicking on Communication and then going to Class List and then selecting your instructor's name. You could also go to Email and then compose an email from there. On this course homepage, you're going to find things like your instructor information here, his name, instructor's email address, phone number. On this course homepage, you're also going to find a link to the syllabus for this course. Click on that and you will find the syllabus and all of the important information there. You will also find some information about the program that we are going to use called Mymathlab in order to do homework, quizzes, and tests in this course. You'll find a calendar, or at least a list of dates, that refer to all of the homework assignments, like for instance section 1.1 and 1.2, suggested due dates, which are dates that are designed to help you to complete this course on a pace that will keep you from having to cram at the very end of an absolute due date. And those absolute due dates you will find here in this third column. In other words, these are the last days that these items will be available to you to complete for credit in Mymathlab. You will notice that there are 2 tests and a review for each one of these tests. Their availability dates are also listed. You should note that the test reviews are not part of the final grade and that the exams must be taken with a proctor. You need to contact the testing center at Volunteer State Community College in order to sign up for your testing appointments. In Mymathlab, you're going to find resources such as the multimedia library, where you can find the online textbook. You can also find videos. Let's suppose that we want to work in Chapter 3, and we can select a section to look at, such as Section 3.2, and we want to read the textbook. So I'm going to check Multimedia Textbook and click Find Now. Then the section comes up here as a link. I'll click on that and the textbook will show up in this window and I can read through it. I can advance pages. I can zoom in on different items, and we can watch videos from inside this textbook that appears online. So here is Section 3.2. We can thumb through this, read through it, find all the things we need to find. We can advance pages, go to the next page. And as we're reading, we will find videos that will explain this information to us. We can also go directly to videos that are found inside this multimedia library just by clicking video, and then some video links are going to come up and we can click on those and see what those are about. In order to do homework, we will just click the homework menu. Then we can select a homework section to work on. And inside those homework problems, we will also find access to the textbook, and if there are videos available for these individual homework problems, then that link will also be there. So here is the link to the textbook. If we click on this, it'll take us right to section 2.2 in the textbook. We can click Help Me Solve This, which will step us through the problem and then generate a new one that is similar. Or we can click this View an Example button, and it will take us to a similar example that we can thumb through and learn a bit about this problem. So be sure and contact your instructor immediately if you have any questions regarding this course.